Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesday. Today, email marketing and newsletters. We're going to talk to you about why they're important, what's behind email newsletters, and why it's important to stay in front of your clients and consumers on a daily basis, monthly basis, whatever it may be. One of the things is obviously drive traffic to your website. During the driving your traffic to your website, it allows you to communicate with your consumers on a regular basis. You can also nurture relationships and gain more subscribers. During that process, when we talk about making the audience part of your family, as you build subscribers, you build your family, you want to nurture that. You can nurture it by sharing news, anything going on in the marketplace that's relevant to digital marketing or helping them. You can talk about your blogs and share content. You can share discounts, coupons, codes, things to bring people back, especially if you're a subscription model-based company. I think review sharing is super important. Testimonies, building that credibility for you. You can get it in front of them once a month, show them the top 3 or 4 or 5 reviews. Maybe you're launching a new product coming in late fall and you want to talk about it in summer. This is the opportunity to do so. I wouldn't recommend 2 emails a month during this process, just to let you know. So one would be more of that news related, kind of the industry type of standard. Have a lot of fun with it, but the second one I would do would probably be more like the end of the month for the upcoming, monthly sales, talk about reviews and building credibility and sharing coupon codes. Newsletter sign up on your website, super important. Maybe even just a nice little container or section close to the bottom above the footer, keeping it separate so that it still catches the attention, keeping it simple, staying with your basic design styling of your website is super important as well. So again, a pop-up isn't a bad thing, especially if you want people to join the newsletter to gain a coupon or a code. Remember, a couple quick tips here. Automate your email process with your newsletter is super important. Use MailChimp. Your subject headlines to have somebody open it. It should be very relevant. You can even use icons and have fun with it. So again, just to sum everything up, newsletters twice a month, stay focused on your content, make sure you share your testimonies, reviews, especially product codes, coupons, anything you can do to entice a subscriber, consumer back to your website. You wanna drive that traffic, and then you wanna build your list. So you have to give them something they wanna share with their family, friends. That's where you do it. So good luck to you on your email marketing journey. Read our blog, and then go ahead and schedule some time to consult with us to tell you how we can help you in your business today. Have a great day.